The handler here, Texas Roadhouse, Waterbury. Now, we start our meal with cool bread and an IPA. Make it a double, motherfucker, of course. Then, well, we have much more to enjoy this meal. But for now, oh my God, we got some cool dipping shit. And I'm going to, oh my God, this bread is hot. Holy shit. And I'm going to dip this bread. Woo, woo, woo. Now, oh my God, I love a good spread. Oh, I good love a good spread. Woo. Now that's delicious. That's how you do it. Well, y'all awesome here at Texas Roadhouse. Now I have a Caesar salad. However, a Caesar salad needs a good sprinkle, some pepper. Oh my God, some ground pepper on my salad. Woo-wee. This is good stuff. Now, we have some croutons in here. Spice it up however you like. You know how I like it. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to do my meal for now. We have a steak coming. Yeah. You know how much I love meat. I love to eat. So come to Texas Roadhouse and get a seat. And maybe one day you will see me greet everyone around. My words are profound. I will see you, and I guarantee you, in your town, motherfuckers. Yeah.